Alright, welcome back. Now let's investigate Ubuntu Graphical User Interface and the file system. On the left part of the desktop, we have this vertical panel. It is called Unity, which is a simple graphical shell, and it's also a free open source application. On the upper right corner of the screen, you will see that we have some options. Let's click one of these. So here, as you see that we have power off or shut down the button. You can just click on it to shut down your system, or you can also adjust your volume just like that, and you can check your battery level, or you can click on settings to change something. So they are just simple options that we can access them very quickly. Okay, let's go back to the left panel. In this panel we have some important default icons. For example, here we have some default web browser, which is in this case Firefox. We have Thunderbird Mail, Files or another writers, Ubuntu softwares, and help button. Actually, this help button is very useful. So for example, let's say that you want to change the data and the time on your desktop, but you don't know how to do that. Of course, you can always Google it and find some solutions. However, you also have another options that's called help. Here you see a big question mark icon. It is called help, and it will be your guide to investigate the Ubuntu desktop environment. If you click on that, you will see there are some links that if you click, you will have some information about each of them. So let's start from the first one. So it says getting started with GNOME. Just click on it. Since we are talking about change the date and time, as you see that we have some options there. And just let's click on this one. So it just provides some useful information about like how you can change your date and time, or how you can edit your date and time and save it. You can always click on this help button and explore your desktop environment. Okay, let's close this window. Now we are going to explore the Ubuntu file system. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and click on this folder icon. Similar to C drive in a Windows operating system, Linux also has a special drive to store important files, or exactly to store system files. In Ubuntu it is called root file system. We already created this file system while we were installing Ubuntu. Right now we are in the home directory, but home directory is also a part of root file system. If you want to see all the system files, we need to click on other locations, and here we have computer, just click on that. So here we have our all system files. These folders are a part of the Ubuntu file system structure. For example, the first one is bin folder. So this directory contains system applications, or you can choose this directory etc. It just contains every configuration file for your system. Here we also have some other folders. For example, let's say this one, OPT. So this directory contains optionally installed programs. I do not want to explain all these things in this video, so instead I provided you with a simple cheat sheet that gives the information about each folder. Alright, that's all from my side. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button. Bye, see you in the next video.